Guys, just imagine how cool it would be to use this drone with a GoPro on here. And these GoPros can record it like some really good qualities, like even 4K. And just use them to get crazy cool up close and personal shots of helicopters, planes, RC cars, monster trucks, real cars, while they're in action. Guys, I'm determined. And the trouble is, although I can fly RC helicopters kind of, I find these almost impossible. And I've actually got a couple of friends that had to go to hospital to have stitches from a racing drone. So, I've got myself this little drone here so I can practice. Trouble is, I really struggle with it as soon as I put on the goggles. And some of you guys said in the comments, maybe I need to get myself some better goggles. So I did! So here we have the Sky Zone OLED FPV goggles. And a lot of people actually say that these are the best goggles that money can buy. So I'm going to open them up, stop waffling and test them out. Guys, check it out. And I'm hoping that they're going to perform as good as they look. So it comes with quite a lot of accessories here, and I'm going to have a quick look at the instructions and figure out where it all goes and how they work. Alright, so I've got them to turn on. It's probably pretty impossible to show you what's going on with a phone filming in there. But so far the quality looks really good, and I'm going to know more once I see it out of an FPV camera. Now the FPV camera here is only a cheapo one, so it's probably not going to give it the best potential. But anyway, it comes with everything that you need for the goggles, but you do need to supply your own LiPo battery, which can be anything from 7 to 26 volts. So you've got a fan up top here, and you can adjust the different fan speeds. We have a camera at the front, so you can quickly just turn that on and off when you've got the goggles on, just so you can see what's in front of you. Got the buttons here for selecting the band and the channel, a tracking button. You can record. No idea what these do. We'll figure that out in a little while. So we've got a socket here for the tracking, a couple of switches here for adjusting how far apart the lenses are. We've got HDMI so that you can... Oh, in. I thought it was in, AV out. Nah. Anyway, apparently you can plug something in so you can watch the image on the TV, and you can also put a feed into it so you can watch the stuff inside the goggles. We've got an SD card so you can record your footage. USB, which I think is for firmware update. Headphones. Then the battery, you can put it onto the strap there, but it's quite heavy, so you're probably better off just putting this on your head and the battery's in your pocket. Now, I'm not going to waffle on anymore, guys. I'm just going to put a link down below where you can get these from, and also where you can get all the specifications, all the techno babble. Alright, boom, got the drone to work, got this plugged in, and we've got it all paired up so we can see the image. Trying to film this with a camera is virtually impossible when I put it on there. But when I put these on, the image quality on here is the best that I've ever seen on any goggles. And I'm not a goggle expert, guys, I don't pretend to be. But it's a way better image than the one that the drone came with. So in this mode here, it levels itself out automatically, makes it a lot easier to fly. But once you put it into this mode, whoa, it now flies like a helicopter. And you have to self-level it yourself. Whichever position you put that in, it stays. Guys, this is going to take some practice. Where are you going? I don't want it in the back of the head. I'm scared I'm going to hit myself in the back of the head. Where's it going? Oh, game over. Oh, man, I'm going to need a lot more practice. So I'm going to do some of that off of camera. I'm probably going to crash loads, and then hopefully I'm going to get good at it. And then we can take out the race drone. Guys, the image in here is absolutely crystal clear. And listening to other people on the internet, many people say that these are actually the best quality, best image quality that you can have from a pair of goggles. So I'm going to need a load more practicing with this. I'll tell you what we can quickly do though. If we put an SD card in there, then we can see if we can record the footage and see how it comes out. I'll tell you what I do want to quickly do is just plug in this race drone and just see what the image quality is like out of this camera here, and also just to see if it works. Don't know about you guys, but it sounds a bit scary to me. Well, it kind of works. I think I'm just going to put the propellers on there, man up a little bit, and just try it out. But anyway, we got the goggles working with the drone, so I know this is almost impossible to see when I'm trying to film in there, but when these are on my head, guys, it does look really good. But anyway, I can hit this a couple of times here and record, and then I'll show you a clip what that looks like. Alright, so we're going to try it out one last time with a small drone, and then I'm really going to have to sit down, knuckle down and practice off camera. Stop beeping. Alright, here we go. I'm going to get out of the way. Uh-oh. Oh, we're down. We are down. Man, why is this so difficult? Where even is it? Ah, there we are. Why is it so hard? Oh. How can it be so hard? Uh-oh. Well, luckily, these push back on. I'm going to give it one more go. I'm going to get to safety. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I need to be nice enough to hover it. If I had a bigger room, it would definitely be easier. Oh, look, there's me there. Okay. Oh, guys, we're flying. Right, well, we're getting better, guys. We're getting better. Uh-oh. Man, it's got plenty of power. I think a bit of practice, guys. I'm going to have this. We're going to do it, guys. We're going to do it. We are going to do it. Oh, don't want to hit that car again. Alright, can we get it to up the staircase? Oh, no. Oh, game over, game over. Subscribe so that you can follow me on the journey of trying to learn to fly a race drone. And there's bound to be loads of carnage. But as I said, I want to be able to film monster trucks up close and personal. I want to film helicopters and planes. And just use the racing drone just to get some really cool shots. So I'm going to have to really knuckle down and get good at this. But anyway, guys, everything in the video, link down below to this, link down below to the drone, to the race drone, blah, blah, blah. See you soon. I'm all waffled out. But